Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be talking about my LOMO waterproof film camera. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Smile! I'm just kidding. I already finished the roll last December, so I don't have anything inside. So I've got the color, the purple. Okay, you can't. And no, I haven't tested it out yet under the water because I don't even go to the beach, obviously, because it's too far from here. And well, I don't have someone to go to, so maybe soon. I've tried this camera into different type of rolls. I've used Kodak Color Press 200 and then the Fuji C200. I haven't tried the Kodak Ultra Max or the other 400 ISO film yet because I'm not really into those film anymore because my favorite type of film is the Kodak Color Plus 200, so that's the first roll that I use for this camera. So when you buy the camera on the SHOPEE, it includes the waterproof case and then this is the camera. It's made out with plastic and everything is basically plastic. And yeah, so this is how small it is. The only bad thing about this camera is that it doesn't have any flash, so you can only use this in the morning. So again, this is the camera and this is what inside of the camera looks like. So you're just going to put the film here and then obviously whatever or how you load the film, it looks exactly the same. And then after you close, you're just going to wind this, and then after you wind basic, you'll just have to take a picture. That's how easy it is. And then after you finish your roll, there's actually a countdown right here. You could tell how many photos you've taken already, so that's really nice. And then of course after you finish the roll, you'll have to just click the rewind button, and then you will be manually rewinding your film back like that, and then ta-da! That's how easy it is. And I'll also be showing the example shots that I've taken with this camera, both Kodak Color Plus 200 and then the Fuji C200. Yeah, no worries, I will link everything down below where I bought this camera, so you guys should check it out. There are different types of colors that you can choose for this camera. There's white, there's also pink, and then blue, red, I think yellow. Yeah, those are just like the basic stuff for this camera because it really is a basic or a toy film camera. And yes, it is a reusable camera, so no worries, you could use it multiple times.